Hey everyone, Mara here, and today I am going to show you a ridiculously fast way to turn your long YouTube videos into scroll-stopping TikToks without the headache. If you are like me and you spend tons of time producing long-form content, the last thing you want is to re-record everything or spend hours figuring out how to crop for vertical format. Short-form content is absolute king right now, and repurposing those long videos is honestly one of the smartest growth hacks you can use, but it has to be fast and low effort. That is exactly where the tool Vizard comes in to save the day for creators like us. Alright, let us jump right in and get started with the process. If you have not already, simply open up the Vizard platform in your web browser. Once you are logged in, hit the Create button and choose the AI Edit option, which is the tool that automatically finds the best moments in your long video. Now paste the YouTube link of the video you want to repurpose right into the input field. Pro tip, Vizard is especially awesome with videos that are 10 minutes or longer because it needs enough context to pick out those viral moments, but it works fine across a wide range of lengths. After you paste the URL, Vizard pulls in a preview of your video and starts analyzing it immediately. The AI looks for high engagement moments, like big reactions, high energy lines, punchlines, or sections where people are asking a question or delivering a clear takeaway. You absolutely do not need to babysit the process while it works. The system will let you know when your set of highlight clips is ready to review. That notification is clutch, because you can go make coffee instead of staring at a progress bar like some kind of statue. When the highlights are finally ready, you can scroll through each candidate clip with ease. Vizard gives you several short, vertical-ready clips that are literally ready to post right now. Want to tighten one up just a little bit more? Just drag on the timeline to trim your clip until it is absolutely perfect. Don't like a specific clip at all? You can just unselect it and keep moving forward. Everything is modular, meaning each selected clip becomes its own mini project. You can go into a clip and tweak captions, change music, add a quick B-roll or a transition, whatever you need to make it really sing on TikTok. One of the things I love is that Vizard automatically reformats the footage into a vertical aspect ratio. There is no awkward manual cropping that makes you lose your face or the important text on screen. The AI also auto-generates captions, but you can easily edit them for clarity, style, or to add a punchy hook. Add trending music or your own licensed track, adjust the text style, slap in a jump cut or two. You have got a native feeling TikTok without having to spend hours re-recording. Now, I know other apps claim to do similar things. Some tools are great at captions but leave you to do all the heavy lifting of clipping and scheduling manually. Others are expensive subscription-wise and still require a ton of manual edits from you. For example, some caption-first apps do a decent job of transcribing, but they often lack automated clip selection and smart scheduling. Other all-in-one editors try to be everything at once, but end up feeling clunky with slow exports or confusing user interfaces. With Vizard, the point of difference is that it is purpose-built for turning long videos into a stream of ready-to-post shorts, and it actually saves you massive amounts of time. Beyond just chopping clips, Vizard has two features I think are total game changers: Auto Schedule and the Content Calendar. Auto Schedule lets you tell the AI how often you want to post, and it will automatically schedule your selected clips to publish according to that frequency. Set it once and the AI queues everything up so you do not have to log in every day to push content live. And the Content Calendar gives you a single place to see, manage, and shift your posts across multiple social platforms. Want to bump a TikTok clip to tomorrow and swap in another one? Just drag and drop it in the calendar, because it is really that simple. So the workflow looks like this. Paste your YouTube link, let Vizard scan and suggest viral clips, pick and edit the ones you like, then schedule them to go live automatically. Each clip is saved as its own editable project, so if you want to tweak the captions or swap the thumbnail at any point, you can. This makes repurposing not just fast, but scalable, which is exactly what you need if you are trying to grow across platforms without burning out. A few practical tips to get the best results. First, if possible, use a YouTube video with clear audio and distinct moments. Q&A sections, obvious punchlines, or moments where the energy spikes are absolute gold. Second, when editing captions, keep them snappy. TikTok viewers scroll fast, so front-load the hook within the first 2 seconds of the short. Third, don't be afraid to add platform-native touches like text stickers, quick punch transitions, or a trending audio snippet. These small things make your repurposed clip feel native to TikTok, not just a cropped YouTube upload. Now, about the competition again, a lot of creators get frustrated because they try a tool that is either overpriced or way too basic. You will see some platforms that are subscription heavy and force you to upgrade for anything that is actually useful. Others give you the editing features but no scheduling, so you end up with a pile of ready clips and no streamlined way to publish them over time. Vizard combines both smart clip selection plus scheduling and a calendar, so you are not left with a to-do list of items to post later. It is a subtle difference, but it changes your workflow from manual to almost fully automated. Once you are happy with a clip, just tap export and share it out. Vizard lets you send directly to TikTok or download for manual uploading if you want to add platform-specific music. Either way, exporting is quick and preserves the vertical crop and your captions. And if you are managing multiple channels, you can push the same clip to Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts with a couple of clicks. Everything happens right from the same content hub. If you are thinking about metrics, repurposing is not just lazy growth, it is actually smart growth. You are maximizing the value of every single hour you spent on that long video. One recorded interview can become a week's worth of shorts, each targeting different hooks or audience segments. And when you pair that with a posting schedule, the algorithm gets steady signals, which is how you start to build real momentum. Okay, quick recap for everyone. Open Vizard, paste your YouTube URL, let the AI generate highlight clips, pick and tweak the ones you like, then either schedule them with auto schedule or export directly to TikTok. Use the content calendar to manage timing and cross-posting. The whole thing is meant to be low effort but high output, so you can spend more time creating long form and less time reformatting. I have got a bunch of other tips on optimizing clips for each platform, from ideal lengths to thumbnail hacks and caption writing. So check out the other videos on the channel after this one. If you want to take it even further, experiment with mixing clips from multiple videos into thematic reels. Vizard makes that easy because every clip is a modular project you can combine. That is it, quick, painless, and actually useful. If this walkthrough helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you want a follow-up where I show you real side-by-side examples of clips before and after editing in Vizard. Or let me know if you want me to compare it directly with a couple of other tools in a deeper head-to-head. Alright everyone, catch you next time, and happy creating.